Hi guys, welcome back to Helly's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making the soft dinner rolls. To all my returning viewers, thank you very much for the support. If you're new here or are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead now and hit the subscription button. Thank you. Now let's get started. In an open bowl, add 1 cup of warm milk. Add 2 pack or 2 tablespoons of active dry yeast. Add a tablespoon of sugar and mix well. After mixing, let it sit for about 5 minutes or until the yeast is bloom. In another bowl, add 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Add half a cup of sugar. Add a teaspoon of salt and mix. Add 1 large egg. One-third cup of melted butter. And continue to mix. Add the yeast and continue to mix. The dough is becoming too sticky, so I'm going to go ahead now and clean the surface. Then I'll transfer it there. After cleaning the surface, dry it up and then sprinkle some flour. Bring the dough to the surface and start kneading. I knead this for like 5 to 10 more minutes. Add some oil in the bowl and then transfer the dough to it. Add more oil on top of it. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and napkin and then keep it aside for about an hour to rise or double in size. Our dough has more than doubled in size after 1 hour. I'm going to wash my hands now and take out the air from the dough. Punch the dough like you see me doing to take out the air. Sprinkle some flour on the surface and transfer the dough to the surface. We are going to knead the dough again for about 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure you're not adding too much flour. After kneading for another 5 minutes, I'm going to cut the dough in smaller pieces. Don't forget, you can always dip your hands in oil or flour if it's getting too sticky. I don't know how to explain this stage, but you just need to watch and learn. Basically, what I do here is I try to roll the dough longer so I can make a knot out of it. When I'm done rolling and knotting the dough, I'm going to cover it again and keep it for another 15 minutes. In a cup, add 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 egg and then mix together. After 15 minutes, take off the foil wrap and apply the egg wash on the dough. When you're done applying the egg wash, put the dough in a preheated oven of 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until it's golden brown. Here's the final outcome, guys. If you liked my video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Helly's Kitchen.